Hey guys, this is Mark and this is Mark Review. Today we got a Vacmaster portable spot cleaner. It's the 400 series. I got it from Amazon for about $80 after tax. It was like 74, I believe, dollars. Right now it's listed for like $69.96. Specifically, they got like a big spring sale. I got that specifically because I wanted to spot clean one of my car seats. Got a strawberry protein shake spilled all over the seats, so just wanted to clean it up and get it all cleaned up and beautiful. So I got this one from Amazon. We're gonna go ahead and unbox it today and review it and see how it does. All right, so I went inside to unbox the vacuum cleaner. I haven't opened it. Just want to wait till I review it with y'all. I'm doing that with one hand, so it's gonna be a little difficult to open it. I believe it should be open. Alright. So as I said, I got this from Amazon. It's currently actually cheaper. So, typical manual. And they got a carpet cleaner solution. And I believe this is the hose that comes with it. This is I think this is like the main attachment. Let's get it out from the box. So there's not much to it. I believe there is going to be like 2 tanks. So this is the dirty water tank, and there is the clean water tank. Try and move this. Okay, so they have a clip on the side here where you can open it. Not sure if you can pop it out of its place. I believe there should be a way to pop it out of its place. And this is where the hose goes to actually pump up the clean water, spray it, and then suction it to the dirty water tank. So I'm gonna get it set up here in a second, and we're gonna go to the car to test it out. Before we go outside, I just want to show what I figured out in a few seconds here. So those tanks, as I thought, previously had like one of those little green machines, I believe they're called, and those tanks pop up. So it just takes a little bit of force to just pop them up. Especially the dirty one, you would need to pop it up to clean it, and drain the dirty water and clean it. And the same was the clean one. So I popped it up. It has some markings on it, as you can see here, for how much water you can put depending on how big the area that you're cleaning. So I just put a little bit for the small clean area mark, and I just put it back, clicks into place. I was confused on what this was earlier. They have it listed here as a hose cleaning tool. So this is to clean the hose used here. So this is not, I thought this was for where you can plug in the hose. Actually, it's plugged in on the back here, and I'm not sure if you can unplug it. Didn't try to, but we'll check it out later. And this is the power button. I don't have it plugged in yet. I'm gonna go ahead, as I said earlier, and go out to the car, put the main attachment on it as well. Has like a button over here where you press to release it, and if I can show it here with one hand. So it goes out and you press it back in, it clicks into place. And there is the button. I believe this is how you spray. When you press it, it sprays the water. The clean water was the cleaning solution from here. When you press it, and this is where you can brush and suction the solution. So I'm gonna put the cleaning solution in the tank, a little bit of it, depending on how much it says that you should put. And I'm gonna go ahead to the car and clean the areas that I need to clean it and see how well it does. Okay guys, I'm at the car right now, and I got the tank full of the water as shown earlier, and I put the solution. Specifically said that when you start using it, if you notice was the first spray, that if there's any color changes depending on what fabric that you're working on a carpet, to stop using it. So I thought to mention that for y'all. And there, for a small area, which what I'm going to work on in this case, is said there is you can put just 3 caps of that solution. So I put only 3 caps on the amount of water at the marked line that they mentioned or they showed. So I'm gonna go ahead and close it, and we're gonna go ahead and start on the car seats. Alright guys, so this is the seat that I primarily want to clean. Got some strawberry protein shake spilled on it. Not sure how visible it is. There's like a kind of like a white splash in the middle from where the spill happened. By the way, I do have it connected to the power station that I showed earlier in the 2 separate solar panel testing. So this is how, because it requires an AC outlet connection, it definitely can't work off of like a car, a 12 volt car port charge. It needs an AC outlet. So I got it connected, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. And I'm gonna go ahead and start spraying. Okay, that's kind of like a light spray. Yeah, most of it really disappeared. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. Alright, so kind of impressed by the results. Doesn't look like there's been anything. Of course it's gonna be a little damp, so you know, just be aware that you probably would not want to sit in the car right after. And it does have kind of like a really wide spray, so I ended up overspraying over there, so probably need to wipe that down with a cloth or something like that. But this is the clean water tank. We can check out. Oh, so the dirty one was not connected well. All right, well, that was probably not good. So I don't think anything is in that tank really per se. Yeah, barely anything. It's not pushed in all the way. But I was hesitant to get this one because I wasn't sure how it would stack well with name brands like little green machine, I think it's called, or something like that. But it did pretty well. It's a little sunny right now, but I'm kind of like standing right now in the in the way of the sun to create a shade, so you can barely see anything compared to earlier when you can see like white splashes everywhere. There's like a small lip right here, so let me even try to spray it. Yeah. That looks pretty good. That looks great, y'all. Really impressed by its performance. And the only negative thing that based on my experience, as I said previously, was other name brands, is that the sprayer doesn't really offshoot that, like its range of spraying is pretty narrow, so that you're not just spraying. This is, I want to say, like almost 180 or 150 degrees. So like you want to spray, you know, this area, but you find yourself spraying everywhere. That, you know, you can live with that for how much it is listed on Amazon right now. There's what is called a big spring sale, and it currently, I believe it's regular listed for $80, but now it's listed for $69.96 before tax, of course. So I got it a little bit before that for like $72 or 70 something dollars before tax. Still not a bad deal at all. I think it's pretty good for what it does. Not sure how it stacks up with, you know, compared to stronger stains. Maybe I can try the other seat as well and see how it does. Okay, so this is the other side, the passenger side. Let me pull it a little closer to us over here and turn it on. Turned on. There's not much here really to clean, but I'm gonna just see how it does. Yeah. All right. Well, let's check how much water. Barely not much at all. Like, well, very little amount of water. But yeah, it looks amazing. I don't know, speck of pollen. It looks pretty clean, and the other side that we cleaned just a few minutes ago as well looks pretty amazing, honestly. I don't think this is as a really difficult test for staining wise. Probably more difficult stains might not be it might not be of a great product for heavy stained rugs or carpets, but for cleaning out a car and probably normal staining and dirt and stuff like that, you probably would have an amazing experience, and it would do just fine. By the way, this is as well a 420 watt cleaner, so be aware if you're going to use it like I did using a portable power station or anything like that. Most of them those days would definitely support 420 watts, you know, comfortably, but just be aware, this is just what it would, you know, need to run normally. Okay, so we're done with the test. Had to unplug it and leave because it's pretty brutally hot outside here in South Mississippi. So I pretty much wanted to clean that the driver side seats, and at the same time I just want to see as well how it stacks up with, as I said previously, I had other spot cleaners, brand names, and wasn't sure that this one would do well. Was how inexpensive it was. Kind of cheaper than other name brands. I think name brands were like in the upper hundreds, so like $100 and something, $150 for similar size units, and this one did pretty well, definitely for how much it cost, and they already have included that small cleaner as well, so you can use it for a little bit. So I would definitely recommend it. I'm definitely going to go ahead and keep it. Don't see why. It does pretty well, and you can always clean your couch, your car, any seats that you have like that might need cleaning from time to time, and it's pretty inexpensive. I would have an affiliate link down in the description below the video, in case you want to get it from Amazon. This is where I got it from. I'll get a small commission. You definitely don't need to buy it from that link, but if you do, I would get like a small commission to help the channel. But that was pretty much it for this video, guys. There's more videos that I'm working on and more ideas. I got plenty of ideas that I'm working on. So if you have anything specific that you would like me you know, to get, or I might already have in review, do let me know down in the script below the video in the comments. And if you did like the video, I appreciate it if you drop a like below. And if you'd like to see more of this type of videos, reviews, and tech gadgets and stuff like that, I appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.